What's good, y'all? So today I got a bit of a dilemma. These two rows, which I will uncover here shortly, are in need of some sheet mulching. I have absolutely no cardboard here, so today what I'm going to do is venture out and get some cardboard, and then show you guys exactly where I get it. But first, I've got to do a couple things around the plot to make sure that everything's rocking and rolling, and then we'll head on out. Dude, no more. Dude always wants to jack the loofahs. It has been extremely windy out here, man. No matter what you do, I mean, you're just gonna get a gang of dust. I'll just say all this to say, we're constantly sweeping around here. It doesn't stop. That's better. All right, y'all. This table, I think it's actually doing something, y'all. The temperature on the table is actually reading at 110. You can really feel it's hotter in here, a lot hotter in here than it is outside. So I am really happy that I now have a heating source that can keep the majority of all the microgreens in my crop that need the heat. I can actually give it to them without having to consume a lot of energy. As soon as I figure this thing out, man, and make sure that everything is pumping correctly, y'all, I'm gonna bring it to you guys and let you guys know, you know, whether it's worth it or not. I feel as though it is. There's a huge difference in a lot of different ways of growth, that this does, and this doesn't. Now here, of course, it's a really quick one. Check it. So here's a sunflower without heat, with heat. You know what I'm saying? Without heat, with heat. It's looking like it's doing a good job. I gotta get in here and water, make sure all this is cool, but I'll definitely let you guys know. Look at this cilantro just being a dog, dude. It's taking a sweet time. This is all bushy and nice. Taking a sweet time. Might need to put it on the table as well. It's been pretty tight, man. I haven't even had to turn on a heater yet. So we'll see. The temperatures this year look like we're gonna be cold in February, and that cold really isn't that cold, you know what I'm saying? It's looking like, at least the prediction is as of right now, everything just below 70 degrees. I'm talking like 65, 64, maybe like one day. Everything else seems to be like in the like 67, 68 range, with the lows of like 44, maybe 42. And I only seen maybe 42 or 40 like once. The bulk of that's going to be popping February. I'm assuming that that heater will be turned on in February. However, man, if this thing keeps on doing what it's doing, I'm gonna leave it be. It's really cranking out the microgreens. I gotta water these, y'all. But we'll circle back around about this heater in some upcoming videos. Break down exactly how I built it, the whole entire thing. I think it's pretty dope. It's working. I mean, I feel as though it's working. We've been killing it in sunflower cells lately. It's been coming back up. New Year's resolutions, man, sunflower, they always go hand in hand every year. I should have just bulked up on them. I mean, I did bulk up on them, but I should have even bulked up on them harder. You know what I'm saying? I think the whole COVID thing has people actually, which is dope, thinking a little bit more about their health, because yeah, they hit us a little bit harder. Now I think I'm gonna go ahead and hit some trays. Oh yeah, I got the trays in the van too. Well, of course, as I'm doing all that, you guys can take this time to rate, comment, and subscribe. If you guys want to donate a little bit more to the channel, hit the links below, and I'll catch up with you in a sec. Over half an hour's worth of microgreen trays. Stay tuned, man. I got a couple microgreen tray videos coming up. I'll show you guys that pretty soon here. Anyhow, getting back out here. Look at this. I can already see like the mounds. This is gonna be ugly. Won't be ugly. Well, the mounds I found actually weren't grass, but mushrooms. So that's actually a good thing. This row actually isn't nearly as bad as what it was before already. So, but nevertheless, we gotta get all that grass out of here. I'm not exactly sure what type of grass it is. Thank God it's not a rhizomial grass, therefore sheet mulching actually goes a long way. We sheet mulch this area here. I'm starting to see a little bit pop up, but it's not deep. That's just newly germinated seed that's popped up. It's not coming through the cardboard that we sheet mulched a couple weeks ago. For the most part, we're doing pretty damn good. Anyhow, we're gonna go find that cardboard to do this because I don't have nearly enough. So I'm gonna show you guys a couple of my haunts where you can find some of your own cardboard. Put up Otis, we head on out. All right, y'all. On the route to get some cardboard, baby. Cardboard, y'all. Actually, we're gonna go this way first. I gotta get gas. Damn. Cardboard it's one of the cheapest tools if you know where to go, and yet one of the most effective tools that I use when it comes to organic weed management. Show you guys a couple spots to go find some cardboard. A couple places that you can actually get some cardboard, especially if you need a large amount, are places that need to have big boxes. So furniture stores, independent ones too, you know what I'm saying? Like, don't try to go to Sears or nothing like that. You might get lucky, but if you're trying to go to anybody's big box stores, chances are it's not gonna work. So we're around a lot of different furniture stores around this area. So I'm gonna look at them first. You know, if you're doing raised garden beds, you know, look behind restaurants, especially like Mexican food restaurants. Again, independent, not chains. Look behind those restaurants. They'll be throwing away a gang of their boxes. A lot of times they don't bail them, they don't recycle them, they just throw them away. So you're actually doing them a favor, you know what I'm saying? If you do kind of feel, you know, like a weird vibe about taking it, then just ask, man. Most times they'll just give it to you. They don't want to deal with it. So yeah, let's see what we can find. I'm just driving to Fontana looking for some cardboard. I'm just driving to Fontana looking for some cardboard. Damn. I'm back here. Shoot, man. I guess I can go in and ask. Sometimes they'll have some extra in their trucks. Should I go ask? Maybe I'll go ask. I'm hungry. I was hoping this was gonna be an easy slam dunk, man. And I'm back here today. Hey, excuse me, man. Hey, do you guys have any extra cardboard boxes?
Well, I'm actually gonna get some out of here right now. It's not a lot.
Can I grab them?
Yeah.
For sure, thanks, man. Just like this. We came up. That was a lot of cardboard too. I'm gonna go check out one more spot. I think I actually might have enough. I don't know. I mean, that was a lot of cardboard. I would like to get that one more time. If I can find that one more time, it will be cool. Hell yeah. That's what's good. That's what's good. Yeah, I don't know though. I probably won't have to go to the other spot. You know what just dawned on me, y'all, as I looked at the frutas, man? Because I wanted to get some frutas, man. That shit is fire. But anyway, what dawned on me as I was passing out the frutas, man, right now is I gotta go to the bank. The reason why the frutas man reminded me of that is because the frutas man only takes cash. And I was like, I got a pocket full of cash right now. Oh yeah, I gotta go to the bank. So what that means is I will be pretty close to, well, a lot closer than I am now to the place that I was gonna go see if they had any cardboard anyway. So I'll just head on over there and see if they have any. Time of year for me, man, is actually a good time of year. It's a little bit slower. It's just the winter, you know what I'm saying? Everything kind of gets slow motion. Microgreens, of course, those always need tending to. Because of the temperature, a lot of the salad greens, it's kind of worth a shot for me to keep them going in succession as well. So I'm doing that, but really outside of that, really, man, there's not a whole hell of a lot to do. And I normally do fill up this time like with other gardening revenue streams. Like last year I did mad mushrooms. I thought I was gonna do a lot of mushrooms this year. But I kind of decided to hold off on them, at least for now. I probably will circle back around and do them, but I'm gonna hold off on them just for a couple more months and try a different revenue stream. Still gardening, but it has to do with more with my house as well as land. Kind of seeing a lot of trends pop up, man, where a lot of people now kind of just want to get the opportunity or the experience to see if a lifestyle might be cool for them to go after. What I'm gonna be doing is opening up my home more or less for an Airbnb experience. So showing you guys exactly what it is. So anyway, I'm gonna go in here, jump in here, grab some gasoline, catch up with y'all in a sec. Of course we can go to like the grocery store and all that. Their biggest box is gonna be way short of what it is that I need. I mean, it's definitely an option. At this point, it's not an option worth it, because I gotta get out, gotta go talk to people. I ain't trying to do all that right now. I'm just trying to pull up. If I go to the grocery store, however, I'll ask. Normally you have to get it on the right time, and I'm way past time. It's already 2 o'clock in the afternoon. There ain't no boxes left right now. The grocery store, you normally have to go in and almost set up like an appointment to get boxes. That's if they still give them up. I don't even know if the grocery store gives them up like that anymore. And most of those boxes are like the Kleenex boxes or the paper towel boxes, which I'm not even certain are being shipped right now. They seem to be somewhat bare on the shelves. So anyway, we're checking out. Worth asking if I do go to the store today, but seeing that I'm probably not gonna go to the store today, I probably won't ask. If this place has what I know it can have, we will have way more than enough cardboard. I'll be damn, man. Living on this Mickey Ficky neck of the woods all my life. I done passed it up. Back on course now. See if they got what we need, y'all. What this is, y'all, is a garage door manufacturer. Oh, got a little bit here. Let's see. Little pieces. Yeah, garage door manufacturer. So they normally have a lot of big ass pieces of cardboard. Looks like we might have come up. A lot of times here too, you got to contend with people that, you know, recycle cardboard. So it's kind of like their little side hustle. But anyway, I'm gonna go grab these other pieces. And that's probably gonna be enough, man. Look, they look like they might be big enough. Cardboard, y'all. I'm into this. Glad I came down here again too, man. Damn. 2 for 2, baby. All right, y'all. Gonna call it a day. You guys have already seen me sheet mulch a couple times. I'm gonna go ahead to the bank, head on home, probably edit this video, and I'll do the work tomorrow. Yeah, like I said, pretty easy one. Nice little fun video. Show you guys some of my haunts. This idea I got from Stephen Cornett over at Nature's Always Right. Don't tell him I'm telling his secrets. Big up, Stephen. Anyway, y'all. Hope you guys are doing fantastic out there. Catch y'all soon.